In this video, you'll learn how to create an account, purchase, and install your UPLIN eSIM. Before you begin, check whether your phone is compatible with eSIM technology. Open your phone's dialer and dial *#06#. If an EID number appears, your device supports eSIM. Any other numbers displayed are not related to eSIM compatibility. Next, make sure you have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open your browser and go to getuplin.com. Download the UPLIN eSIM app and open it. Press Login to create your account by signing in with Google, Apple, or your email address. Once your account has been created, you're ready to purchase and install your UPLIN eSIM. Now, search for your destination. Choose the plan that best suits your trip by selecting the duration and the amount of data you need, or opt for an unlimited data plan for the entire length of your visit. Tap Checkout and fill in the required details. Review your basket, then proceed to enter your payment details and pay for your order. Once your purchase is complete, you can see that your eSIM is ready right in your app. You will also receive a welcome email from UPLIN containing your unique eSIM installation link. Now you can install your eSIM either via your app or the link in your email, which opens it in your dashboard on getuplin.com. Tap Install in the installation details and follow the on-screen instructions. Your phone's settings will open to guide you through the eSIM installation process. You'll need an internet connection only to install your eSIM. Once it's installed, you don't need an internet connection to activate it. We recommend installing your eSIM before you travel and activating it only after you arrive at your destination, or just before arrival. Follow the on-screen instructions. Press Activate. We will be using this SIM on our travel abroad, so select Data Only. Now your travel eSIM installation setup is complete. After installation, you'll see your UPLIN eSIM listed alongside your primary SIM under your phone's mobile service or cellular settings. Now, let's activate your eSIM. Open your phone's mobile service or cellular settings. Select your UPLIN Travel eSIM and toggle Turn on this line. Go back. Next, go to Mobile Data and switch it from your primary SIM to your travel eSIM. Crucially, make sure that Allow Mobile Data Switching is turned off. If this is left on, your phone might switch back to your primary network, which could result in roaming charges. Keep it off to protect yourself from extra fees. Go back and tap on your travel eSIM again. Scroll down and toggle Data Roaming on. This is an important step. If data roaming is off, your internet won't work, even if your eSIM is active. To summarize, your travel eSIM is turned on with data roaming enabled. Your mobile data is set to your travel eSIM, and mobile data switching is strictly off. Your default voice line remains on your primary number. You are all set to use your UPLIN eSIM on your travels.